In today's video, we are installing this gorgeous bob unit from Myfirstwig, and yes, it's giving silk press. It's giving I just got my ends trimmed. It's just perfect. Of course, we have our combs on the inside, an adjustable wig band. Baby girl is a silky 10-inch bob in natural hair color. This fits nice. Snug. Clip it back. A little short, so I don't know if this will work. The hairline, that way they really stay about the way. We are gonna cut our earpieces now. Woo. That right along the edges of the lace. Presentable. Look at this. It's so cute. I'm in love. Okay, I have to run to lunch, so I'm gonna give y'all the details. Again, this is a 10-inch 13x6 invisible air lace silky natural hair color wig.